81 RP assembly. Place the inner valve into the main body. Place the clamp plate onto the stem. Place the diaphragm onto the clamp plate. Place the upper clamp plate onto the diaphragm. Attach the lock nut by hand and tighten with a wrench. Attach the seat ring. Tighten with a wrench. Insert the spring steps and spring into the spring casing. Connect the spring casing to the main body. They should sit flush. Insert the spring casing screws. Tighten the spring casing screws with the bolt driver. Star-cross tighten. Remember to reset the adjustment screw prior to installation. Assembly complete.